Hello everyone, today I am going to introduce you, my travel buddy, a travel size umbrella that I carry in my backpack all the time. This umbrella goes with a very smart designed umbrella bag. It's an anti-lost zipper bag that keeps your umbrella bag always attached. The metal clip and the strap connect together and you can release them when you need. This extra wide closure strap helps everyone to fold back the umbrella by an easy rollover. You roll and the folds of the umbrella are neatly folded back. It looks like the new one you just bought. Wood handle is more environmental friendly and high class. A single button press to open up your umbrella, have yourself covered. And the extra wider strap attached firmly by the Velcro. It won't dangle around in the rain and this helps to reduce the water drops falling all over. Unlike the normal windproof umbrella, this one is 3 layers. The layers provide the wind to go through. Whenever there is a sudden gust, the layers maketh wind pass through without breaking the umbrella. The frame is made from high-quality fiberglass this is an effortless close-back spring design so you can easily push back the umbrella. Effortless close-back spring design, you can easily push back the umbrella by just 2 fingers. And here we use the extra wider closure strap to roll back the umbrella. Very simple, voila.